Today I would like to discuss coordinate geometry, that is for your syllabus. So this one is an important topic, so very important. So basic geometric concepts that you learnt in the high school, depending upon that, so this coordinate geometry is, so I will go to teach you. Yes, first, so understand the plane and coordinate axis. Plane and coordinate axis. So here observe this one. So this is y axis, you know this y axis, and this one is the x axis. X axis, y axis, this is x dash, this one is y dash, and so the x and y axis are nothing but they are the two real number lines intersected at one point and they are perpendicular to each other. If two real number lines intersected orthogonally at one point, then the entire this plane, so that is board is a plane. So the plane is divided into four parts. So they are known as the quadrants. So this is first quadrant. This one is second quadrant. This one is third quadrant. This one is fourth quadrant. Quadrant means in Kannada chaturthaka. So ಮೊದಲನೇ ಚತುರ್ಥಕ, ಎರಡನೇ ಚತುರ್ಥಕ, ಮೂರನೇ ಚತುರ್ಥಕ, ನಾಲ್ಕನೇ ಚತುರ್ಥಕ. So first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant, x axis, y axis, x dash, y dash, and the point of intersection, it is always denoted by O. This is known as origin. So it is origin. So origin is nothing but the point of intersection of x and y axis. So observe here, in the first quadrant, the x and y coordinate, both are positive. That is, x is positive, y is also positive. In the second quadrant, x is negative, y is positive, and this one is positive. In third quadrant, both x and y are negative. Both x and y are negative, so they are negative. And here in the fourth quadrant, x is positive, y is negative. That is, in fourth quadrant, x is positive, y is negative here. So observe here, x coordinate, y coordinate. So x coordinate, y coordinate. That means a point is defined by two coordinates. That is known as the ordered pair. So the point is defined in two coordinates, that is along x axis and along y axis. That is the position of the point is given by with reference to x and y axis. So x means along the axis and take right turn. So take right turn and along y axis, that defines the y coordinate. So therefore here x is known as, so that is x ordinate or x coordinate is known as the abscissa. X coordinate is known as abscissa. Y coordinate is known as ordinate. Yes, x is known as abscissa. Y is known as the y coordinate is known as the ordinate. So x comma y represents the position of the point Here x is known as abscissa, y is known as ordinate. That is x coordinate is known as abscissa, y coordinate is known as ordinate. Yes? Therefore, abscissa comma ordinate. Abscissa comma ordinate. For example, 4 comma 3. 4 comma 3. So that is abscissa equal to 4. Ordinate equal to 3. Abscissa equal to 4. Ordinate equal to 3. So here minus 5 comma minus 8. Minus 5 abscissa. Minus 8 ordinate. Both abscissa and ordinate are negative in third quadrant. Third quadrant. Minus 5 is abscissa, minus 8 is ordinate. Here 5 comma minus 3 abscissa, that is x coordinate. Ordinate y coordinate. And here abscissa is minus 4 comma 3. This one is abscissa. This one is ordinate. Yes. So just understand the terms concerned to the point. X coordinate is abscissa, y coordinate is ordinate. This one is x axis, this one is y axis. They intersect orthogonally. Orthogonally means right angle, 90 degree. So orthogonally they intersect. Here positive x axis, that is plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, in general x. So this is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, like that, minus x. Plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5, plus 5, plus y axis, positive y axis, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, negative y axis. So all are negative numbers, all are positive numbers, all are positive real numbers, negative real numbers on x axis. So consider this is the point on x axis. Point on x axis. Point on x axis. So this is the position of this one is 1 comma 0. Y is 0 here. There is no height. There is no height. No height here. Y is 0. This one is 2 comma 0, this one is 3 comma 0, this one is 4 comma 0, dash dash dash. In general, this is x comma 0. That is, so x is the abscissa and ordinate is equal to 0 if the point lies on x axis. Yes, that is, if point lies on the x axis, then it is of the form x comma 0. Point on the x axis is x comma 0. X is any real number. So 1, 2, 3, 1.5, 2.5, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, or minus 1.5, minus 5.5, or even minus 1 crore, 1 lakh, whatever it may be. So x is a real number and y is here ordinate. That ordinate equal to 0 if the point lies on the x axis. Hence, point on x axis is given by x comma 0. X comma 0, point on the x axis. Next, point on y-axis. Observe here. Observe this point 0, 1. 0, 1. X is 0. Horizontal distance is 0. Height equal to 1. Horizontal 0. Height equal to 1. Therefore, the point is here. This one is 0, 1. This one is 0, 4. 0, 10. So like that. 0, 1. 0, 4. 0, 10. 0, 100. Or 0, -3. 0, -200. So observe here. Abscissa is 0. Ordinate is some real number. So therefore, the point which lies on the y-axis, is of the form, that is abscissa is 0, ordinate is some, that is on y-axis, we can take it as 0, y. So therefore, the point on the y-axis, that is if the point lies on the y-axis, it is of the form 0, y, where abscissa is 0, ordinate is some real number. And the point coordinates of origin are coordinates of origin 0, 0. Coordinates of origin are 0, 0. In brief, the entire thing that I have given so far is, if point is in first quadrant, it is of the form x, y. X, y lies in first quadrant. Similarly, minus x, y point lies in second quadrant. Minus x, y point lies in second quadrant. Minus x, minus y point lies in third quadrant. X, minus y, the point lies in fourth quadrant. So, if both are positive, first quadrant. Both are negative, third quadrant. X positive, y negative in fourth quadrant. X negative, y positive in second quadrant. So therefore, you must take care of these while using the signs along with the coordinates. Yes? And next one is, you know this one, x coordinate. X coordinate is equal to abscissa. Y coordinate is known as ordinate. Y coordinate is known as ordinate. So here, for example, 4, minus 5. What is the abscissa here? 4 is the abscissa. What is the coordinate? What is the ordinate? That is minus 5. And in which quadrant this lies? So the point lies in plus and minus. That means this point lies in fourth quadrant.